Andrew Thomas Ralston, 1880–1950, was a Scottish amateur footballer and football administrator in England. Playing career. Ralston was born on 26 March, 1880 into a farming family at Machrihanish, Argyllshire, and was educated in England at Bedford Modern School. He pursued a career in insurance in London and joined the London Caledonians FC, a team for Scottish exiles based in the capital. Ralston was a long-serving player and continued to represent the club in his 40s. He also played as an amateur for various professional clubs including Watford, Southend United and Tottenham Hotspur, for whom he made over 100 appearances between 1915 to 1919. As a youngster he had also joined Aston Villa but does not appear to have made any appearances in the first team. Administrator. Ralston served as Honorary Secretary of London Caledonians and the Isthmian Football League. He also served on the Council of the Football Association, where he represented the interests of the amateur game. Death. Andrew Ralston died at a nursing home in Ealing, Middlesex on 29 January, 1950. He had attended the draw of the FA Amateur Cup and had gone on to pay a visit to Vivian Woodward, a famous former player for Spurs, Chelsea and England who had become bedridden. Ralston unfortunately fell ill and died at his bedside.